Hey there, and welcome to the new Espionage devlog. Today we have a lot of new features to cover, so let's jump into it. First off, now when you enter a red area of a certain security measure, instead of dying, you will alert nearby guards. So this is like a new detection system. And these guards aren't the same guards that we mentioned in the previous video. Those are now called robots. These guards are a new enemy. This for now it's this purple little face, and it is passive. It just stands in one place until you either come close to it or until it is alerted by a security measure. When it is alerted, it chases after the player, shooting after them. And also there is another new enemy, a drone. It flies around the map and it alerts nearby guards if the player enters under it. But to combat these new guards and drones, the player now has a weapon, a handgun. It kills guards, robots and drones instantly. It only has 2 ammunition, but it can pick up rare ammo packages, and there isn't a maximum amount of ammo it can have. This isn't the main feature for the player. It is meant to be used as a last-ditch attempt, as an escape tool if things don't really go your way. And also, there is a new map system, or the beginnings of it. A single run. It will be like a roguelike, similar to a roguelike with procedurally generated levels, and the run will be composed of multiple maps stitched together. And currently there are 3 maps done. We have a linear map with 4 security measures on it, 2 regular traps, 2 robots. Also there are 2 drones in this map, and the regular traps and the robots are randomized. We have one with 2 possible routes, a route on top which has 6 regular traps and a route on the bottom which has 4 robots. And also in these 2 maps there are multiple guards. And we have a platformer one which has several platforms, and some of them, or most of them, have a guard on it, so you have to be really quick to quickly jump over to another platform before the guards can shoot you. Alright, that was it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and consider supporting me on Patreon. It helps a ton. Goodbye and take care.